you for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Check out this backyard.
This ain't appropriate now. Push my hand off your side.
This backyard's so nice.
There's no one else, so
Good morning, everyone. We have made it to Joshua Tree, California. We made it here really late last night. This morning we're gonna just explore the town a little bit and just take some photos and see what comes of today. But it's early in the morning. We got in around like 5 a.m. our time. We had to drive like 2.5 hours from LAX to Joshua Tree. So now we're here. We slept in a little bit. It's like we got like 2 hours of sleep, but we're running on it.
Still around, I don't know what to talk about. How has my head just hollowed out? Thoughts used to orbit all around. On Venus we can find peace. Still around, I don't know what you wanna talk about. I'm too precautious and I often doubt. How can I be the boy you dream about? Still around, fall for every woman on my side.
I'm taking some photos around our Airbnb area, and it's just a really cool place. Like, it's very deserted and it just looks awesome. So I have my Nikon FM2 and I have my Portra 400 in it. I'm just gonna take some photos around here. Took some photos around the Airbnb. It looks awesome around here. Look at these views. Hey guys! Now I feel awkward. We're out here in the desert.
I'm level-headed cause I'm never stressing. And I stay unsettled, never wanted blessing. So I don't wanna be alone. No, I don't wanna be alone. And I don't wanna make up. No, I don't wanna make up. Short-sighted for the lies I told you. But you stood tall when the glass was empty.
Hannah and I are about to make a fire. Oh!
There we go.
Let there be light.
How are we gonna find marshmallow sticks? Because everything's so dry.
Oh, you're right. Fire! Making some chicken.
Making some cheese board too.
Cheese boards. Yeah, and cheese boards and chicken.
When they go on vacation,
We are gonna cook some chicken. We have broccoli in the fire. We have potatoes in the fire. And yeah, now we're gonna make some chicken. Hopefully we don't get salmonella. Look at this view. Kind of goes crazy. Looks good. Little 360. We got Allie. We got Julia, and we got Hannah. Cooking it up. This drink's a little sugary, but it's good.
I like it a lot, but I also like sugar.
Look at this meal we put together. This looks fabulous. And like Hannah said, we do have an oven. We just chose to cook outside.
Besides the
Look
stuffing.
at those sides, wow. Ooh, look at that scoop. Got that potato.
Is the stuffing ready? I don't know how long it was sitting for.
And then we've got chicken up in there. All looking good. Okay, let's check this chick. And it's still chicken at the end of the day.
Won't you wait? You know it's too late. I'm on my own shit now. Let me tell you how it feels to be fucking great. I feel great.
Cuts the other person.
You need to be yourself. Love someone for loving you instead of someone really cool that makes your heart melt.
We're out here chugging so much water because our nose canals are dry. This meal's going off. We got bacon, eggs, fruit, toast, and broccoli. Today is our final day in Joshua Tree. Yesterday we tried to go on a 4-mile hike and then we accidentally took the wrong route and got lost. So it ended up being like a 6.5-mile hike or something like that. But it was really fun. We're packing up and we're leaving Joshua Tree and then we're gonna go to LA and then hit the coast because Hannah's never been to the Pacific Ocean. So we're gonna see that. I don't know if we're gonna go to Malibu or like Santa Monica or whatever, but we'll see what happens and we're gonna go to see the water, so that should be fun. And I'll get some good film for that.
The rock shop! The rocks that we made before flying back?
No, I ain't much of a poet, but I know some days that I get on a train track, give every kid who got played that.
Maybe if she took a prize, she would know I did it over her. Agony and hints of sage, her eyes blind with disappointment. I couldn't recognize her face. Shards of glass live in this feeling. Have to somehow stop her leaving.
And look at the moon, like what the heck, that's so nice. Guys, we are leaving.